Hello, my name is Zane and this would be a geography lesson for a 10th grade class. First, I would like to start with a bioregion. When someone would imagine a bioregion, what would they think of? They might think of a continent or a specific climate. In a sense, these students would be correct. A bioregion is a particular collection of plants and animals that is specific to a certain location. This also ties in closely to climate regions because due to access to water supply and type of weather will affect what can survive and grow in this location. Convection cells would be the second topic of discussion. Hearing the word convection cells, I immediately think of the weather. It's a strange association, however. A convection cell can affect some aspects of our natural environment. A convection cell is a large area of molten rock within the Earth. It is because of these cells that geophysicists believe the continents are formed and have slowly shifted over time. Whether a convection cell is slowly pushing a continent more towards the tropics or towards the polar ends of the Earth, they are what literally make the ground beneath our feet. Relating back to the topic of convection cells, a convergent plate boundary is created due to the movement of two or more tectonic plates being pushed together. This is a process that helps form mountain ranges and ocean ridges. However, here in the United States, the most popular convergent boundary is the San Andreas Fault, which creates very powerful earthquakes in California. Most of you may be familiar with this topic already. The greenhouse effect would be easiest imagined by picturing in your mind an actual greenhouse. Inside this building, heat enters through the roof and sides. However, due to its design, the heat stays trapped within it, causing the entire room to maintain a higher temperature level. This example is what the greenhouse effect is, except on the scale of the entire planet rather than a small building. Within the Earth's atmosphere, there are multiple layers which help to release or store heat from the sun. As pollution occurs, particles become trapped within our atmosphere and lock more heat in than it lets out, creating this greenhouse effect. The Green Revolution is the change from a mixed crop system to that of a monocrop, or a singular high-yield agricultural system. This change involves a three-step process of moving from a mixed crop to that of a singular genetically modified high-yield crop. The second step was to introduce a higher level of water, fertilization, and pesticides to sustain and increase the growth of the crops. The final step is the reduction in the fallow time, which is when the field is not being planted. I would like to thank you for listening to this short list of important geographical information and hope that you further your knowledge in this subject.